Hola, hola. welcome back to another video Cook With Me. Today I have with me my friend Rafa.
Hello, nice to meet you all.
Thank you for joining us. What he will be cooking today for us will be stew beef, and he's gonna walk us through the ingredients and also the process of how we cook this stew. Gonna walk us through the ingredients. What do we have here?
Okay, so what we have here is first we have onion and thyme.
Yes.
Okay, we have some garlic.
Yes.
Beef broth. Some potatoes.
Yes.
Which one? We have beef.
Mm-hmm.
We have bell pepper. We have tomato passata. We have fermented red wine.
Mm-hmm.
Raisins, chipotle and habanero.
Mm-hmm.
Olives, green olives. We have salt and pepper. We have cumin, and we have oregano.
Perfect.
Yes.
So now we have the oil in the pan and it's being preheated, and the first thing we're gonna go in is with our onion. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
And or garlic. Do you hear that sizzle? So we're gonna toss, well, Rafa is gonna toss it until it's translucent. We're not gonna burn this, we just wanna have a nice translucent onion and cooked garlic and cooked thyme.
Smells nice. It's starting to smell.
Nice.
It smells really nice. Okay.
Yes. Onions are looking a bit translucent. We're gonna toss this around some more. Nice. Do you know how to cook, Rafa?
I'm not super skilled, but I'm learning now with this amazing teacher. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
Okay. Nice. See this.
Okay, yeah, nice sound, right?
Yes.
And super nice smell.
Now we are gonna go in with the beef.
Okay, all of it?
Yes, all of it. So you're gonna break this up.
Yeah.
You wanna have it get a bit brown, not burnt, but brown. So we're gonna cook the beef. Nice. It smells good already.
It smells amazing. Yeah.
Would you cook this again?
Of course, of course.
You don't know yet. You don't know.
I know yet how to cook it, but I'll learn and I'll cook it again. For sure. So you were telling this is a mixture, right? Jamaican, but with some Mexican
Yeah,
ingredients.
so usually with stew beef, we have cubes. So with this, it's ground beef. And in Cuba, there is ropa vieja. So it's a similar, like a cross between a ropa vieja and stew beef. The difference with this though is that it doesn't have any browning. With this stew beef that Rafa is preparing, it's a cross between ropa vieja and stew beef in Jamaica. The reason being is because with stew beef, we use browning and we always have the seasoning marinated together. Where with this, we're not marinating anything, we're just putting everything together. It has raisins in it. We don't use raisins, we only use a lot of herbs and spices. And this has olives, we don't use olives, and this has olives. And in Cuba, in their ropa vieja, which is similar to a stew beef, they use raisins, olives, and capers. So it's gonna be a bit spicy and savory because I like spicy. I'm putting the habanero, there's chipotle as well. And the raisins will also gives it that sweet flavor. So yeah, and cumin, I love cumin. Cumin is a spice that is used a lot here in Mexican recipes. And so I'm bringing all the flavors and spices that I love in this stew beef.
So am I doing this okay?
You are doing fine. So we don't want to see any red bits. We want to.
Okay. Yeah. I see. So it should all get brownish. And... Okay.
Yes. Beef is fully cooked. We don't have any red bits. We're gonna go in with all the ingredients. So we're gonna go in with our bell pepper.
Okay.
We're gonna go in with our olives. We're gonna go in with our red wine. Ooh. We're gonna go in with our tomato paste. Oopsie daisy.
Okay.
All of it, yes.
Okay.
We're going with our raisins.
Yeah, we don't have grapes here. Okay.
Raisins.
Nice.
Bell
Look at these colors. I mean, super nice.
Lovely.
Yeah, right?
The chipotle and the habanero.
Okay, all of it?
All of it, yes. Sorry for those who don't like
You can see the habanero here and the chipotle.
Yes.
Yeah, super nice. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go in with the oregano and cumin. And in the end we can add the salt and black pepper to taste. We're going in with our beef broth.
Okay.
Nice.
Now the broth?
Yes, the broth. And then we're gonna mix up everything together, let everybody get familiar with each other.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Thing together so that everybody gets to know each other. And then we're gonna cover this and let it simmer for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna go and add. He's mixing everything up so everybody gets to know each other in the pot. We're gonna let this simmer for about 30 minutes, and then for another 30 minutes we're gonna add the potato, and then we add our salt to taste, and we should have a dish ready to serve. Simmering for about 15 to 30 minutes. We're gonna check on it and then see.
It smells amazing.
Smells delicious.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna add the potatoes.
Okay.
And then you're gonna mix it up so everybody get to know the new people in the family.
So I'm gonna put this here?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Mix it. Mix it, yeah, mix it.
Yeah.
Put your
Super
muscles into it.
I want to
Yes.
spill things again.
Yes.
Sorry about that.
No worries.
Okay.
Fabulous. So we're gonna let this stay for another 15 to 30 minutes, and then we probably be ready to serve. Yes.
Super nice.
Please test and tell me if it needs salt and pepper, and we can go ahead and add that.
Okay. That's super hot, of course.
How is it?
I mean, delicious, but yeah, I think it's missing some salt and pepper yet.
Fabulous. So we're gonna go ahead and add that in.
All of it? Okay. So this?
Woo!
Okay, nice party in there, right?
Yes.
Okay, then let's stir it a bit.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. And so we're gonna cover this and let this simmer down some more, and we should be ready to go.
Nice. Okay. So should I cover it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Fabulous. We are going to check on to see if it's ready, if it's tasty, and it needs anything else, with Rafa doing that. So let's see what we have. Oops. Ooh, looks good.
Super nice.
Yeah.
Should I what? Stir it up?
Stir it up. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. And we're gonna do a taste test.
Okay. We're gonna taste.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see.
Ooh, tell me.
It smells nice. Amazing. Yeah.
It needs more salt, more pepper. Tell me.
I think a bit more salt maybe, but a bit.
Fabulous.
Okay.
I did an excellent job, and now we are about to eat. We are about to eat the delicious food that Rafa had prepared. It's stew beef. The ingredients and the instructions will be in the description box below. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching us. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember to stay positive and think on possibilities.